I just want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to every single person that took the time, subscribed, and is watching the videos. If you're enjoying the videos, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And also let me know where you guys are from. Write that down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now, I am spending another week in Dubai, and then next week we're heading to Beirut. I do live in Dubai for the past 30 years, but originally I am from Beirut. Although I call Dubai my home, Beirut is also my home, but I haven't been there in the past year or 2 years. Do prepare yourself for another travel vlog next week. But for this week, we're gonna enjoy the sunshine a bit more and just enjoy being in Dubai. And welcome to the palm. And this is of course the man-made massive palm tree in the middle of the ocean. I did spend one New Year's Eve here. The roads are literally 3 lanes, and there must have been about 10,000 people or like 15,000 people trying to get to the very end of the palm, and everybody got stuck, of course. And that was the one New Year's Eve that I actually spent it in a bus, waiting in like right before a tunnel. And all we had to do is just like wait, and 12 o'clock hit, and we were just stuck on a bus. Hello. How are you? I actually remember playing the song when I was back in high school. Good old times.